Here's a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive and you're not able to restart or whatnot. It's a pretty easy fix. What you need to do is force it to restart. And how you force it to restart, you want to press and hold two buttons, okay? It's a two-key combination. So what you want to do is press and hold the volume down and power button. You want to press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see a Samsung logo appear, okay? So let's pretend my screen here is frozen. I'm not able to restart the traditional way. We're going to force it to restart right now. Volume down, power, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Continue to hold until we see a Samsung logo appear. So I'm still holding both buttons here, the volume down and power button. And just wait. As soon as I feel it vibrate, we should see the Samsung logo, and that's when I will let go of both buttons. Still holding. Still holding both buttons. Oh, it vibrated. There's a Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go and let it boot up normally now. And now hopefully your screen is responsive and is working now. If it's not working after you restart it, just do the same thing again, okay? Good luck, guys.